Try. OA. Okay. Hi, Coach! Kamusta po? Hi, Coach! Walang yakap? OA. Ayun, no? Ayun, kasama si Coach. Okay. Uy, totoo ba? Go. OA na. Hello po. Hello. Hi, Coach. Hi. Hello, OFW kong friend. Hello. Hello. Hi, kamusta kayo? Hi. Hello. They're in Japan. Is it cold?
No.
Not so much. Ay, oo nga. First meal. What is our food for today? This is nilaga. Ay, ano ba to? Chicken, and then we also have omelette and then dumplings. So, dapat ganito mo siya gawin, guys. So, this is the egg. This is the rice and the egg. And then put it here.
Ito ba?
Hindi ko alam. Diba that's the purpose? Tama ba ako, guys? Pop.
Let's go in.
This is their soup. Perfect for the weather. Welcome. Where are we going?
We are going
To where? So we'll be going to 7-Eleven or Family Mart because we'll be getting food. It's so cold. It's like 4 degrees Celsius. Si El yun. Nakala niyo kung sino, no? Si El yan. Gusto niyo makita si Ed Kaluwag. Bush.
Nakapogi naman ni Ed Kaluwag.
Ibi lang, B. 7-Eleven run. Hey. Dito ako. Dito kasi yung bag nito talagang pangmalakasan eh. May labubo. May labubo pa eh. Pero yung ngipin parang 85. Ay. Hi guys. So, it's currently, we don't know what time is it because we don't have phones. Daming phones. Pero mga 1 a.m. We have training at 6 in the morning. Pero now, nag-food trip kami. So we have this Jin ramen and we have chips. And milk tea here. I'll drink this tomorrow. And then we have a lot of Starbucks. So Tom is my roommate together with Elle. Pero may intruder kami dito. For the watch ka naman, Vic, alam mo naman naiintindihan mo yung Japanese. We have poached egg, roast pork, hamburger steak, yakisoba, shrimp with mango mayonnaise, and then fries. And then we also have cereals. Breakfast. First day of training camp. Di pa kami nagbabadripan sa isa't isa. So, dito na kami sa Kobe Shitua University in Osaka. Parang it's giving lalagnatin. Oy. Ohio!
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulap-sulap, nagpapapansin.
Nasaan yung ano? Tayo lang.
Hey guys, so earlier nag-weights kami after our morning training. And guess what? First day pa lang, ang sama na ng pakiramdam ko. Para gusto ko muna magpahinga. Charot lang, bawal. Hey guys, so it's our second day today. So So, papunta na ulit kaming... Saan yan? Kobe Shinwa. Doon din. So, last night, di na ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang napagod kami.
Namagado yung arm niya pero hindi naman talaga naman.
Namaga, bali
Normal lang
nagpasa.
natabayan.
Ano?
Namula lang kasi medyo malamig.
Tayo hindi ko ibibilip to para ma-cancel ko. Tignan nyo guys, so nagpasa siya. Sa mga serve nila yan. Pero ayoko sabihin kasi yumayabang sila. Okay. Tapos, ano guys, kanina nag-run kami at 5 a.m. and then the temperature was -1. Pero it feels like -3. Then after that, nag-session kami with Ma'am Juju. Tapos breakfast. Tapos kayo, papunta na kami doon. Paano ang Crazy Mall? Finished our morning training. Diba? Laban lang kami sa vlog. So now, we're on our way to Family Mart to buy some food lang. Kasi may food naman na kami doon na bento box. OA sa lamig guys. I'm feeling a lot better now compared to yesterday. Because I feel like yesterday, nabiglang aking katawan. Namuli ka to, oh. Kala ko talaga tuhod ang tinamaan. For the ganun ako, oh. Ganun ako kanina pagka-site ko. Gogo, ikaw yung tumawa. Hi, Mom. See you later. Hi, guys. Ay, kita bati. Kayong dalawa lang bati ko.
Uy, ano ba? Huwag sa kanya. Palaman kasi yan. Palaman pala. Masarap yun, oh. Ang laki mo eh. Ano to?
Oh, yung gawang aso. Busog na ako, ikaw na tayo.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, nagtinginan kami, oh. Diba? Nakita nyo? Yung mukha mo sobrang dry. OA. Para ka dyan aesthetic. Ano? Hi guys.
Like and subscribe.
Agad-agad. Tinapos agad. We're doing laundry right now. It's 10:56. It's so stressed. OA. Go.
언제부터 네가 남자로 보여 어느새 얼굴이 화끈거리고
So, from Kobe Shinwa, we went to Kindai. Kasi that's where we're gonna stay until the 13th. And right now, we're having our dinner. We had our first tune-up game earlier pala against Kindai and we lost. First tune-up game against Kindai University. And we lost. We got smoked. Charot. Alam niyo ba yung ka-tune-up namin? Champions yan ng East Side ng Osaka. Pero in the, sa whole Japan, they're 4th place. Eh kami, 5th place sa UAAP.
Sobrang dikit na nung laban.
Pero ano, nadikit na naman namin sa in fairness naman. Di ba kami sobrang na vog-vog. O isa lamig. Para bang bato ang inaano namin. Ayoko ma-
Wala na.
Kala namin guys may snow, wala pala. Ulan lang pala. Naglabasan pa kami. Wala na, yun na yun. Ika na, tulog na ulit tayo. Good night. Today is the day. Makakatso na po namin ang team ni Kuya Mark here in Kubota, Osaka, Japan. Expected scores ko po ay mananalo po kami ngayon at matatamukan po namin ang team nila. Expected score. So lalaro na po namin ay 4 sets. So feeling ko, panalo kami 3 sets, talo kami isang set lang. Okay. Hindi nga manalo sa collegiate team eh. Okay, pakialam. Vlog ko to eh. Hanapin natin guys si Kuya Mark. Ito. Yung atin na yung one big fight. Okay. We are here in Dotonbori. We had our tune-up game earlier against Kubota. We lost all the sets, pero dikit naman yung last 2 sets. So, it was a good experience. They're number 2 in Division 2 here in Japan. So, not bad. Right? It was a good game for us.
It was a good game. It was full of lessons.
Yes, correct.
Na top ano sila.
Top 2 sa Division 2.
언제부터 네가 남자로 보여 어느새
Hi guys! Hello!
Bye-bye picture.
Hello! It's January 9, day I don't know what it is. And we're currently in Kobe International. So sobrang lamig na training namin kanina. OA na talaga. At sobrang paus na talaga. Now we're just waiting for our food for lunch. And then later we have another tune-up game against Kobe International. Hoping for better results this time. Because I'm pretty much sure that we were able to learn a lot of things from yesterday's game. Kayo ba? May natutunan ba kayo? Yeah. Oh, meron daw. Pero nonchalant kasi pagod na sila. Hi guys, so we ended training early. Because we have a tune-up game later, so kailangan namin maraming energy. Against Kinday again. So last tune-up game against them. So this is Kinday University. Ay, naalala ko, nagpicture ko dati dito. Sa katapat. Kasi pagtapat yan, Kinday pa yan.
Ah, school pa rin yan?
School pa rin yan. Bumalik kami ng train station kasi binili ka namin yung gamit ng isa dito. Napaka-hassle, tapos minodus pa ako. What can you say about the food? So, we're going to Dotonbori. It's our half day.
I lost my 50.
He lost his 50k and he thinks I stole it. Yeah. Why would that? Baka nag-aaway sa vlog, oy? So, my other teammates are here. Hi, what's your name? Michelle. Lalabas ko sa vlog, ah. Ganda. Ay. Saan tayo pupunta, be? So, bakit ka hindi pinaglaro kanina? Binalakang siya. Nag-V-drop ng walang hands. Award. So, what did you order, Gian?
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki kayo dyan. Okay ang takoyaki na kaya kayo dito?
Pangatlo ko na.
Hindi, in total.
Only 8. Tapos... Ilan yung kinain
Yan ang OA.
9.
Ah, arigato. Arigato. Okay.
One more takoyaki.
Uy, ito sa'yo, ah.
Yeah.
So, sana ulan na, iinis na sa pera.
Kasi na...
Okay. So, this is the process. Oh, eh. Thank you, Tim.
Tayo handle. Dahil ikaw hindi ka naman magmamata.
Sige. This is the second part. Oh, eh.
Ay, puto bongbong.
Anong puto bongbong?
Puto bongbong lang pala. Oh, puto bongbong. Ganyan na ganyan yun. Picture me with that.
Isipin ko. Medyo kanina pa ako inaasar eh. Show to the vlog.
Matcha lover ka ba? Matcha lover ka ba? Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu.
Di ako mamatcha guys. Dito kami ngayon sa
Isang yakiniku restaurant.
Sa Yakiniku restaurant. So, shout out to Tita Shine. Thank you po for treating us.
Thank you, tita.
Thank you, Tita. Love you so much. Yummy. Onti pa lang na pupunta sa amin. Hi. Hi, Aura. Nonchalant. Ay, nonchalant siya. Sama pakiramdam. Hi, aunties. Hi. Mag-thank you ka, Jet.
Tita Shine, thank you. I love you so much. Ingat palagi.
Okay. Arigato. Arigato. Parang masarap to.
Wait, I'm scared. Ito na yung deer. Ito na yung deer. Ito yung deer. Ay, hindi pala. Ito. Ay, ano kayo? Bago kayo. Ay, wait lang, wait lang. Ganun.
Pag nagdedeman,
But they're touching it.
ano sugurin ka nila?
Ito na yung deer, oh. Ay, hindi pala. Ay,
Is this the GFR?
there's so many.
Uy, Pinoy!
Uy, Binoy. Serious. Sorry, wala pa kaming food. Wait lang po. Gilan yan kasi binibigyan mo. Hindi ko binibigyan. Bless mo lang. Bless tuloy. Okay lang yan. Go.
Malaki na lang, malaki.
Go.
Sige na.
Uy, bakit isang buo?
Kaya ganyan
Uy, natin yung pera. Pagpapakain kami ng deers, look.
Ito cute siya. Hi, baby!
Wait, saglit lang.
Ate! Ate!
Wait lang.
Uy, ayaw bag ko. Wait lang. Mama! Tapo, yung tapo. Tip. Wait, ayun na. Ayoko na, aggressive na nila. No more. Ate, may katawa na nila. May iba, content na, expectation versus reality. Bakit ganon? Bakit naman ganon? We're currently here in I don't know where. Oy. Bugs. Oy. So galing kami Nara Park kanina, and then we went to Dotonbori, and then we bought all of these, and then we're now here at I don't know where. We're gonna do some eating challenge. Medyo nababaliw na ako dito, ba? Hi guys, so it's our last again. So it's our last day in Japan, and then we're spending our last moments here in Starbucks. This is like the the nearest establishment or like coffee shop here. Then after this, we'll go to Second Street na thrift shop to check lang. Pero si CD bibili siya. So these are my teammates. That's not allowed. We're not allowed to bring outside food here. They would. For the coffee.
It's me, boy.
It's just you and boy. Thanks for the coffee, boy. Busy siya. Thanks, Kinday. So that's where we train. And then, this is our dorm. Thank you. Say thank you to my vlog.
Thank you po.
Bye.
Yung isang susi daw.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you had fun watching my vlog. And this is gonna be my last Japan training for Ateneo. Kaya you guys should watch this para ma-ROI. Okay. So see you guys soon. Bye.